We made it out of the temperate rainforest and into the Pine Barrens. Let's go. The spot, brothers. The spot. Hope y'all having a blessed day today. It's a good day to go for a hike. Nobody's out because of the rain. But you definitely need some bug spray. Now this is the Pine Barrens right here. Got some blackberry bushes here. Looking good. These will be wonderful once they got some berries on them. See the old fires from the controlled burns they do out here to mimic the natural ecosystem that once lived here. It burned for 10,000 years before people moved in and decided to put the fires out. Got a beautiful fern right here.
They're coming out, so let's make this fast.
Nice little burn zone. See a fresh patch they burned. See how controlled it is. Stops right on the line.